Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Freddy AI for CX, Freshdesk's intelligent assistant that helps automate, assist, and optimize customer support. In this video, you will learn how Freddy works, what features it offers, and how you can use it to boost efficiency and customer satisfaction. So, what is Freddy AI? Freddy is a Freshdesk's built-in AI assistant designed to enhance the customer experience through self-service via chatbots, agent assist during the interactions, workflow automation, and predictive insights. It's like having a smart teammate that works 24 hours and 7 days to speed up responses, reduce agent workload, and make support smarter. Let's begin with self-service bots. Inside Freshdesk, go to admin panel, search for Freddy. Now click on it, and here you can build customer chatbots that help customers find answers from your knowledge base, track orders, open support tickets, or escalate to live agents. The no-code builder lets you create flows with logic, FAQs, and data collection fields. Freddy can even personalize the conversion using CRM data like names or ticket history. You can deploy Freddy bots on your website, WhatsApp, or social media. Now let's see how Freddy helps agents. Inside the agent dashboard, Freddy acts as a smart assistant by suggesting solution articles based on the customer's query, offering reply templates showing customer intent or sentiment analysis. This means agents don't have to search manually. Freddy brings the right answer to them instantly. You can customize Freddy's suggestions by training it with your ticket history and most used responses. Freddy also has automate workflows. For example, you can use Freddy to prioritize tickets based on urgency or tone. Assign tickets to the right teams based on keywords. Trigger emails or updates when specific criteria are met. This kind of automation reduces human error and ensures every ticket gets handled faster. Freddy isn't just reactive, it also provides predictive insights. Freddy Insights helps you identify rising customer issues, them, uh, track team performance, detect anomalies in support volume, predict CSAT trends. These insights allow managers to make productive decisions like launching a help article or retraining agents on certain issues. To get the most from Freddy AI, keep your knowledge base updated. Freddy pulls from it often. Use labels and tags to train Freddy smarter. Start small, deploy Freddy bots for FAQs, then scale up. Review Freddy's reporting panel weekly to optimize flaws and suggestions. Also be to test flaws before publishing them live. Now click configure, then click get started. Before you begin, just buy a plan from here, like switch to free for this tutorial, then click activate free plan. Now enter your wait a minute. Now go back to admin panel, then search for Freddy. And follow the process. Freshdesk becomes even more powerful when you use integration tools from the Marketplace tab. Go to Apps, then select Marketplace Apps. You can connect Freshdesk with over 1000 plus apps, including CRM tools like Salesforce and HubSpot, communication apps like Slack or Microsoft Teams, Shopify, etc. These integrations let you automate tasks, sync customer data, get real-time alerts, and resolve issues faster without switching tabs. And that's how Freddy AI for CX helps you deliver smarter, faster, and more personalized support using Freshdesk. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.